Welcome to the world of Labeljoy, the most powerful barcode label generator software on the market. Labeljoy allows you to easily generate and print fully customized barcodes, QR codes, and stunning labels. With just a few clicks, you can import data from external databases, choose the type of encoding, stylize text, and add images to your labels. Try Labeljoy now and find out how easy and powerful it is. Go to labeljoy.com and download it for free. With Labeljoy, you can easily create labels and barcodes using any printer. All you need to get are sheets that are suitable for printing labels. Start by editing the label text. Double-click on it and edit your text. You can customize format, color, and alignment. Adding an image is simple. You can choose from a large archive of clip arts, or upload a file from your computer. Use the mouse to move and resize the image. Now select the type of barcode. Labeljoy provides all the most popular barcode standards. Choose a layout for printing. You can pick among thousands of different layouts. You can also create and save custom layouts. Choose how many columns and rows you want to print. Specify the label shape and the margins. If you have a watermark, you can enter it here. Let's see how to import information from an external database. Data can be uploaded from an Excel file, from an Access file, or from a text file, from a professional database system like these, from the database of a software such as Outlook and Sendblaster, or by taking care of the configuration manually. Let's upload an Excel file. Specify if the first line is the header, and select the sheets to be imported. Is everything in order? Click on Next. Now you need to place the labels items in the working area. Drag and arrange them in an orderly way. You can easily move and resize each image using your mouse. It's time to print your labels and barcodes. With Labeljoy, what you see is what you get.